Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today, the theme of the week is coffee and tea. I just finished planning in my Erin Condren Vertical with one of these Sweet Kawaii Design sticker sets from Michaels. These are the exclusive sticker sets, the weekly kits that you can get $8 Canadian each for these. And the reason why I'm showing this to you is because it ties in perfectly with a new subscription service that I signed up for. The cost for this is $15, but this first box only cost $10 with free shipping. It is absolutely cute. It's called Sips By, and I will link the information down below, as well as I will link the girl who originally told me about this, because I saw an unboxing on a channel that made me want to give this a try. So I'm going to move this aside and open this up, and let's see what teas we received inside. So here are my August teas. The presentation is beautiful, and there is information. Made for Tony. That is so cute. So I filled out a very detailed survey on their website asking me all about the types of teas, flavors, and ways that I enjoy tea, like in packages or loose leaf. And I said a number of different things that had made them send these specific teas to me. So one tea I am very happy to try is this Earl Grey. I really do enjoy Earl Grey. It is a very nice tea. I also said I would like a combination of caffeinated and decaffeinated. So this is clearly a black tea and caffeinated. So this is one of the samples that they sent to me. The second one I'll take out of the box here. This is actually perfect, and I'll show you why in a minute. Okay, this is organic strawberry miracle tea. Wow, that's a very different look on the other side. So I thought this was the front, but it might be the back, and this might be the front. But I'm going to show you what I have planned for this. I'm going to keep it on this side. Okay, my absolute favorite tea would have to be mint. And here is an herbal tea that's Organic Mint Fields, the Republic of Tea. So I had said that I was interested in bags of tea. Even though I have loose leaf, I, in this instance, wanted to get bags. And again, I will show you why. And the fourth tea is a chocolatey white tea with herbs and real dried pomegranate. Organic white pomegranate tea. So all of the teas here, with the exception of the Earl Grey one, are organic, which is really nice. So it comes with some beautiful cards here telling me about the companies that I have received the tea from, and this way, if I am interested in having more of these teas, then I know I have tried them and enjoy them and where I can find them. Beautiful. And they have sent, wow, that's lovely. They've sent a postcard as well, which is just amazing for like a little happy mail. I love the box. I could totally reuse this. In fact, I have an idea for it already. Now, the reason why I wanted the teas to come in tea bags as opposed to loose leaf, even though I have both at home, is because I wanted to create a little happy mail. I'm just going to show you the kit that I am using. Fall is in the Air from Echo Park. This is the kit, and I will link the video here on how to create this. So this is an example of a fun, quick flip book that you can make so simply, and I will show you inside. There are little tuck spots with ephemera, as well as some little handmade envelopes that I have created in here as well. I'm going to take some of those out because there's another little tuck spot which I could put one of the envelopes, if it was a little bit smaller, in there, and a little tuck spot that I've got here. So here's the reason why I was ordering the tea bags, because I want to be able to share these with my friends, and look at how wonderful that matches. So you could actually even put 2 little teas in this pocket. Another thing that I have done in the past, and I may even do it again this time, is I have taken the 2 of the cut aparts with the 3x4 cards, sandwiched them together with this in the middle, and then stitched around the outside and sealed off with washi tape to create a little tea packet. So this is just perfect. The color is everything. It's so wonderful. Like, any of these actually would be a nice little fit in here. This one's a little bit wider, but looks like it might still, yeah, would still go in there too. So that is the little project that I've been working on for some happy mail that I'm putting together for fall. And I am so happy to have got my subscription to Sip Spy in order to be able to have some fun little teas to try as well as to share. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.